Guys, it's Mrs. Pies, and we are going to learn the very last letter of the alphabet, the letter Z. It's the last letter of the alphabet, and it is the very last letter we're going to learn about. Okay? So I have my sound up, like I always do. We're going to talk about all sorts of words, toys that we know about that start with the z, z, z sound. Ready? Say it with me when you see the toys. Ready? Z, z, zebra. Z, z, zoo. The number z, z, zero. Ooh, what's this? This is a challenge one. Can you see this? It's tiny. It's kind of probably hard to see if you're not in person. It's called a zucchini. This is my z, z, zipper. And I have one more. It's my favorite one. Love the words. Zigzag. Zigzag. Isn't that a fun one? And I have my capital Z and my lowercase z. All right, say it one more time with me and then we'll be done with this video. Ready? Z, z, zipper. The number z, z, zero. Z, z, zoo. Z, z, zebra. Zucchini. This is actually a plant that you can plant seeds and grow zucchinis. And this is zigzag. And what sound does the letter Z make? Z. Good job, guys. See you later.